Hello everybody, it's me, Hijinks Sparrow K, and today we are playing the finale of Octodad Deadliest Catch Hot Concessions. Now, this is probably going to be the last video because this is pretty much where the game ends. Okay. Why am I upside down? Stop being upside down. Oh no, oh gosh, get up there. So Star's gonna push us up. And now we have to make a path for Stacy. How though?
Stacy's on the other end of the cafeteria. Be careful up there.
What are we doing?
Step lightly, Octopus. It will not matter. You will fail.
Oh no, Chef Fujimoto. I think you'll find that I will be able to make it. I don't care what you say. I have hope. Oh no! No. Wait, there's a tie. I just noticed there's a tie there. So no. Come on. Almost there. Alright, so we have to break this piece of wood, the one over here. It's just waiting to be broken. And crack. Go, Stacy! Yes! Plug three fish spots.
Shove it in those fish's mouths.
Okay, quick.
Take this. Shove it in those fish's mouths.
I will eat your feet.
Scary. Not a banana skin.
You should have stayed in the tank, Octopus.
Never.
Great. Get away from him.
There you are.
Oh, jeez, he just hit me with a flippin'.
I just want revenge. Revenge for past crimes.
Doing it, honey. Doing it, honey. Just two more. Show him for locking my door.
I see you.
Ow.
My cleavers will find you.
Oh, no.
Pressure is increasing. Just one more.
What are you doing, Octopus?
Didn't see that coming.
Getting a fish spout. Getting a fish. Okay, quick. No, The last fish spout.
And I find
Put it on. Yes.
It's the pipes. This thing's gonna blow.
Oh. Take care of the chef. What am I gonna do? What's gonna happen? But wait, I wanna find the. I saw the tie. Yes. Thank you. Are there any others? There must be more. Alright, well, now we're gonna take care of the chef.
No!
We're giving him a hug.
What is happening right now?
You're getting a hug from a naked octopus, that's all.
You really forgive me? Even for the war?
Well,
Your
octodad
family
is
really
nice.
loves you, Octopus. I not bother you again.
Bye.
Honey? So, this news will take some getting used to. But I was imagining much worse. But next time, tell me 10 years earlier. Wait a second. If that is an octopus, then where did me and Stacy come from?
Stacy's face. But seriously. That's a very good point, though, Tommy. Where did they come from, and how have they not realized yet?
I had a hard time maintaining my suspension of disbelief. I'm glad we can all sit together and be happy friends now.
Even though we were a family in the first place.
Who's that man with the flowers in his hand? Who's that man? He's just
Well, Octodad was a guy named Tank. Really?
I can't wait for the sequel.
Oh my gosh, really? A guy named Tom played Chef Fujimoto, he played Octodad, and he played all the men. That's crazy. I did not expect that. Alright, well, family, I will take some, wait, I wanted a popcorn. Yes, I will take this popcorn, and I'm going to leave the cinema. Goodbye, my family. Well, I have to say, that was quite short. So I think we're gonna play the secret level. So, to get to the secret level, all you have to do is basically go into
Ooh, take a look
this
at that.
bit. Go
Stay
past
still.
everybody.
Picture.
Something smells fishy. You always say that.
Go past everybody.
I want to be a fish too.
Be accidental.
Please buy something.
Go over to the men's bathroom.
Oh, when am I gonna learn not to trust free sushi?
Open the door. Put both of your feet.
Oh, my whole day is going down the tubes.
Come on. Put your foot.
Oh, if there's anybody out there, tell my wife I won't be home for dinner. Oh, or breakfast.
Put your flipping feet inside. And flush. And that's how you get there. So you go This is the level. Toilet's in trouble. So the whole thing is black. But that's not gonna stop me. Wait, so I get crushed, but somehow don't die. Right now what? Wait, no, I wasn't supposed to fall. Oh, wait, hold on a sec. I need to go back. We go onto this. We jump across. There we go. And press this button. And it's an elevator. No. Oh, jeez. And run across. Phew. And get crushed. Ow. Oh, jeez. Okay. Go up these steps. Attach your foot to this. Okay, that's there, I think. This is probably the hardest bit. Get the foot, put it here. No. Grab the button. Oh. Come on, foot. No. Stop. No. Leave. Come on. Yes. And now go into hands mode and press this button. Alright, now get crushed again. Ooh. Go up here, jump on this thing. Almost there. Come on, no. And the 3 ties, which are the tiger tie, the shark tie, and one other one which I don't remember, but yeah, exit. Out the exit we go. So that's basically all I have to show you, but in the next episode we're going to do the shorts, Dad Romance, and Medical Mess. So that was Hijinks playing the finale of Octodad Deadliest Catch, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!